Hello all, welcome to the e-office training module of Chennai GST. In this video, we shall see one of the most important parts of e-office, which is the file management module. Let's begin by creating a new file. Now, there are two options to create a new file. We can choose the create new option under the file navigation menu, or alternatively, we can go to the receipts module and choose any of the receipts and click on put in the file option. Now once this option is clicked, we get a list of files into which this receipt can be attached. Or we can also create a new file as using this create file option here. Now I choose to create a new file using the create new option under the file menu. Now once this create new button is clicked, we are redirected to this page where a similar to a physical file kind of an image appears. Firstly, we enter the file number. This is the basic head, this is the primary head, secondary, tertiary, and there is a blank space, and then the year, and finally the section code. Let me choose the basic head. Say systems. The primary head can be chosen, the secondary head, and the tertiary head. Now the description can be given as e-office training. Now the category has to be chosen, both the main and the subcategory. We can choose what type of file is this. The list of options are available. We can choose any one of them. The subcategory can also be chosen. Now here we note that the mandatory fields are file number and description. Further, the language can be chosen as English and the remarks can also be entered. E-office related file. The previous reference, later reference if any, can also be filled. Now, having filled these basic details, we click on the continue working button. Now we get an alert saying file number will be generated, number generated will be final and cannot be edited. Do you wish to proceed? So, a file number once created in eOffice can never be changed. Now we click the OK button. It redirects us to this page where two important components of file exist. On the left hand side we have the note sheet and on the right hand side we have the correspondence. Now in note sheet there are two options, add green note or add yellow note. The difference between green note and yellow note is that green note is used at the officer level with the help of digital signature and it cannot be edited or removed once it is digitally signed. However, the yellow note is predominantly used by the personal staff to take dictation from the higher authorities, and this can be edited or removed at a later stage. We also notice that the quick noting facility and the attach option of note sheets is not available in the yellow note. Now, for demo purposes, let me choose to add a yellow note. Now, once I click on this, it comes to this screen. Here, I type a draft content, yellow note content is added, and let's move on to the correspondence side here. Now we see three tabs that are present on the correspondence side. TOC meaning table of contents, recent meaning the recent correspondences, all the list of all correspondences which are serially numbered. Now I click on this TOC button and now attach. It shows me a list of the receipts that are available in my inbox or in the created folder of my receipts. Here we note that at a time only one correspondence can be attached. I cannot choose 2, 3 at the same time. I need to add them one after another. So now let me add one correspondence. The receipt number comes here, the subject, the type which is PUC1 or paper under consideration 1. I then click on attach to attach another correspondence. I choose any one of them and now this also gets added. In case I want to detach any correspondence, I check this box and in this tab I click on detach option. It shows me, are you sure to detach selected receipts? If I want to detach, I click on the OK button. One important point to note here is that once this file is moved or sent to a higher authority or any person, no detachment of correspondences can be made. So, we have added a yellow note and we have also added two receipts as correspondences in this file. Now when we click on the All tab, we see a list of correspondence wherein the first correspondence is added and serially the next page is numbered as 3 and it goes on till the end. So here, suppose I want to download this file, I can click on this download button here and it will ask me whether to download the complete file or just the notings or correspondence or the draft for approval. And the reason also has to be recorded. So now, having created this file, let's send it to someone. Now here, I choose to send it to my other formation. The due date can be chosen if there is a due date, say tomorrow. The action is forward for approval, approved or for information, let's say for approval. The priority is also can be chosen here. Three priorities are mentioned: out today, most immediate and immediate, remarks for necessary action. And having filled these details, we click on the send button. Now let me log into my other formation. Now in my inbox, I have received a file. So here we see that this file with a yellow noting shown by yellow background has been received. The priority is immediate as per the legend and this file number is mentioned here. The subject, it is sent by, sent on along with the remarks. So blue indicates that there are remarks present, red indicates that there are no remarks. So now we open this file and we see that the draft content in yellow note is present. Two correspondences are attached. Now once we click on the confirm button, we see that it changes into a green button. And now we have the quick noting option wherein standard noting text are present. Also, we can attach any attachment to this note sheet wherein the attach button is present. So, green noting has this quick noting option and attach button which is not present in the yellow noting. Hence, it's always better and advised to use the green noting. Hence, through this video, we have seen how to create a new file, the two options, how the difference between yellow note and green note, and how to add a green note or a yellow note, how to attach correspondences and issues, and how once when the file is moved, the receipt cannot be detached. For example, if I am choosing this and clicking on detach option, it says the following receipt is not being detached. So it was in the previous moment and hence this receipt cannot be detached. In case of any queries or doubts with respect to this video, please mail at vandana.raj@gov.in. Thank you.